Hello everybody. Um, I had a problem with my Toyota Highlander 2006. When I was accelerating, it started making noise. It was like rattling or bad bearing noise, but something in the between. So rattling and bad bearing, and it only when you accelerate. After research of internet, I didn't find any normal solution, and after some searching I did find what was the problem, and now it wasn't the transmission, it wasn't bad bearings, it was a hook that is from back of the engine. So the screw got loose and it was rattling. Very easy fix. So good luck if everybody has a problem.